Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing two knives with y'all that I picked up in Chipley, Florida. One was at the pawn shop. The other one's at the antique shop. The antique shop is T&B Treasures across the street from the pawn shop. Very convenient location. Again, if y'all ever in the area of Chipley, Florida, y'all go by there and you have two locations that you can knife hunt. Both of them have a good amount of knives and some good knives too. But I'll be sharing these knives with y'all. But I'm also going to be sharing a little video where I picked the winner of the Bubba's EDC 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm giving away an event knife, Ellaville Knife Show event knife. He did reach 500 subscribers in a day. He didn't reach the 1,000 mark in 2 days, but he did reach the 500 mark in 1 day. So we're going to be giving away a knife. And I'll be sharing that video with y'all in this video. I also want to share with y'all guys, don't forget about the Black Friday Live. This afternoon at 5 p.m. Carolina Knives, Knife Crazy, and Way to be going live. And if he can get up to 2,000 subscribers by 5 o'clock this afternoon, they'll be giving away an event knife live on that show as well. So already sent it with Wade. They have it up there. And again, if he reaches 2,000 subscribers by 5 o'clock this afternoon, they'll be giving that knife away. Anyway, guys, let's get into these knives. This right here, guys, is a Gerber 1416 right here. It's a Gator 2. But look at that thing. It is a beast. Absolutely love this thing. I'm going to be finding me a sheath for this. I think the regular Gator sheath will fit this, but we're going to see because I have some back home. But it's like the Gator and the Easy Out had a baby. You see this right here? Ain't that cool? Look at that thing. It needs to be oiled. It needs to be cleaned up. But that is a beast, guys. A beast. Check that thing out. Ain't that awesome? That's one of my favorite knives, guys. But you see the handles is a little bit different than the regular Gator, where the Gator only had that finger groove and it was smooth all the way back. It does have a lanyard hole and it's very, very sharp. But you see it's Portland, Oregon right there. Made in the USA. And it's Gerber right there, right up here. It's I don't know when they made these, but they're not real common on eBay. I only found one other one with a gut hook. It was another knife gut hook. It was like a set, and that set was like 159 bucks. But that right there, guys, I love that. I like the Gator, but I don't love the Gator. But I absolutely love that. I love that blade shape. I love that nail nick or that finger hole where you can open it up. If it was oiled, I believe it'd be a lot easier. But it just feels really good in the hand. It's got that rubberized grip. Beautiful knife. But it's a Gerber 1416 Gator 2 knife. Love it. Lock blade too. See that right there? Lock blade. Now this one here is pretty old. It's actually a Schrade with the original sheath. Now the button is messed up on here, but it will stay secure because it actually pulled out of there, but you can actually lock it in place by pushing it over that button here. See there, you can actually continue to lock it in place, but we're gonna replace this piece. But check this knife out. Check that out, guys. Nice, ain't it? It's gonna clean up good. It's gonna look new. The handle's gonna get its color back. The blade is gonna be nice and not a mirror finish, but it's gonna be nice and shiny. The brass is gonna clean up good. The handle is good and tight. It's got the jimping back there for the thumb. But that is an absolutely gorgeous knife. But this is a Schrade 498. It kind of looks like an Uncle Henry, but it is after 1973. Uncle Henry is not on here, but that's what it looks like. So Uncle Henry first started coming out in the 60s, but under Schrade Walden. But this is just a regular Schrade here. Very nice. But these are my two favorite knives of the haul so far. But I am going to go knife hunting today, guys. We'll be going out to pawn shops here in Panama City. Can't wait. But I can't wait to get back home to clean that knife up and to saddle soak this. But this piece here, guys, will slide out. See, this will be easily replaced. So you can take this all the way out here, just like so. and you could wear it as is, but we're not. We're going to put that back in there so it'll stay secure up here. But I am going to cut a piece out and put me a couple of buttons on a piece like this and repair this sheath here. Just wanting to tear a little bit right there. It's an old sheath. So guys, those are my two favorite knives. I'm fixing to share the video with y'all where I picked the winner.
I'm the knife doctor on the road, saving old blades, so many stories told. USA made, fixing those springs, handles repaired, they shine and they sing. Flea markets, pawn shops, antique stores, searching for treasure, always room for more. With Wade and Eric,
Congratulations, Mr. Clayton Rogerson.
where the stories never end.
I just want to thank Mr. Clayton Rogers for participating and winning the event show knife. I'll be replying to that comment that you actually won with, and be looking for a comment soon, and I'll give you instructions on how to send me your address. So congratulations again, Mr. Clayton. Guys, that was fun, and I appreciate all the support that y'all did for Bubba's EDC, and y'all be sure to go check out his videos. He does a lot of knife hunting, so y'all check him out. And also guys, don't forget about the Carolina Knives reaching 2,000 subscribers. If he reaches that, I'll be giving away another event knife. So I'll be chatting with y'all live this afternoon at 5 p.m. So thank y'all again for tuning in today, guys. God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp. Well, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I just want to thank Mr. Wade for coming over here. It's always a pleasure talking with him. I always learn something new every time I get around him. He's just infectious with knowledge, and I appreciate you so much, buddy. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, man.
And don't forget now, they're going to be live November the 29th at 5 p.m. That's a Friday. That's Black Friday. I guarantee you it's going to be the most entertainment you watch all day long. But it's going to be Knife Crazy. It's going to be Carolina Knives. It's going to be Wade over on Knife Crazy. And don't forget now, if y'all get Carolina Knives up to 2,000 subscribers by the time they go live, I'm giving away an event knife. So y'all be sure to go over to Ellaville Knife Show Part 1 on Carolina Knives. Comment, sub, or subscribe. I'm sending a knife with Mr. Wade to Crawford, and he's actually going to pick a name that evening live and be giving that knife away to someone. So, and I hope to see 1,000 people on that live. So I'll be on there chatting with them. So it's going to be good. But thank you again, Wade, for coming over.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Enjoyed it, man. Enjoyed it. And enjoyed being with y'all. And stay in touch with us, and remember Knife Crazy next week, Black Friday, y'all. We're going to call it Black Friday Live.
Yes, right.
Okay?
With an edge so true, saving lives with them old knives, making them just like new. Drive through towns, the whispers start, hey. Flea markets call and a treasure hunt today, hey, hey. With Antique Queen by his side, they search, they barter, take the ride. He's the knife doctor on a steel crusade, trucking with his legs.